Welcome. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are back in the historical center of Florence. It's amazing how many hidden treasures you can find in this city. Today we're gonna discover together one of them. It is right behind me, inside this beautiful palazzo. It's an apartment created inside the cloister of this building. Something really special and particular. Are you ready? Come with me. Before getting inside the apartment, we find ourselves in this entrance room, from which you can see the two doors to get inside the property. The first one is right behind me and it's the main door, and then there is a second door which lets you access to a separate little apartment, perfect for some guests or for a caretaker. Let's now go inside and see the apartment. The first thing you notice is the large amount of light shining through. This whole palazzo, in fact, was originally a 13th century convent. The cloister was afterwards turned into a beautiful apartment. So today we can find this glass covering that creates like a huge winter garden inside this living room. Another interesting aspect about this property is that it has excellent acoustics, and it would be perfect for a musician to set up all of his instruments and play here in this beautiful space. It is 560 square meters in total, laid over 3 floors with 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Talking about the layout, I would like to start from this very particular room right below me. It is an atelier, and let's go and see it. Have a look at this space. The owner is an architect, and this is his perfect studio. In fact, there is so much light shining on the desk and makes it the perfect room to work. There is also a project to turn this room and the room beside into a spa and have a swimming pool right here. Imagine that. Now that we're done with the underground floor, let's pass through this sitting area and arrive to that door over there, from which we get to this independent bedroom. In fact, it has its own independent access that we've seen by the entrance. It also has an ensuite bathroom and a mezzanine floor. On the other side of the living room, we find this dining room, which is part of the cloister, and right beside the kitchen. Thanks to these two big openings, you can look at the cloister while you cook. To get to the first floor with all the bedrooms, we can access through 2 sets of stairs. One in the end over there and another one passing through this door. It's as if we are inside the bedroom already, because this is a walk-in wardrobe, and from here you can go downstairs to the atelier we've seen before, Over here there is a bathroom, and now let's go upstairs to the bedroom. This is one of the two bedrooms of the first floor. They both have their own set of stairs, so their own independent access. And through this sliding door, you can decide whether to separate them or to divide them, giving each one their own privacy. There is one over here and another one over here. Up these stairs, we arrive to one of the best features, which is the rooftop terrace. Such a terrace is for sure something incredible to have in the city center of Florence. It is 160 square meters and it is partially paved in wood, and the rest is glass, of course. The wooden part would need to be restored, but afterwards it would be a real gem. It's really interesting how from here you can see all the way through down to the atelier. Arriving from the terrace, we're back inside the second bedroom. From here, if we keep going through this door, there are some stairs that lead you on the lower part to a bathroom, and going up the stairs we find another bedroom with a mezzanine floor perfect for kids. Before ending today's property tour, I would like to sit down with you and tell you something important. This property is really special because it blends antique and historical features with more modern solutions. Of course, it needs a restoration and some cosmetic works, but you could see that as an opportunity because it has a very interesting listing price, so you could restore it and adjust it to your likings to make it your own special Florentine property. I hope you enjoyed this tour, and I will see you next time. Ciao!